Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen PH online shop. Meron tayong mga power bracelets for protection, prosperity, at marami pang iba. And then, meron din tayong mga zodiac sign bracelets na nag-a-align ng energies for each zodiac signs. And then, we also have intention oils na merong tatlong sizes. Meron tayong 5 ml, and then merong 15 ml dropper, and then 30 ml dropper, intention oil. And then we also have a spell jar for protection and prosperity. And then the latest addition sa ating mga products ay ang cleansing and protection spray. So available siya in 50 ml and 100 ml bottle. Ayan, so available yan lahat sa ating Shopee, link on the description.
Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 16 to 22, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, so ito yung bracelet ng mga Taurus. So we have Moss Agate, Aventurine, and Rhodonite. So available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. Let's see, Taurus. Ano yung energy ninyo for this week? Two of Cups. Ang dami ngayong concerning sa relationships, partnerships. This makes sense kasi meron tayong eclipse. Oo. Sa Libra. Okay. Let's see, ano pa. Maring you are going to be focusing on your relationships, your connection sa ibang tao. Can be business partnerships, romantic relationships. Ano yung challenge ng mga Taurus? You have the 10 of Cups. So as a challenge, this can be related sa family nyo, no? Maaring merong kayong hindi ma-fulfill na promise sa family. Pwedeng may frustration. Ano yung opportunity? What is the opportunity? You have the Star. Oh, just keep the faith, no? Whatever this is na medyo nagsastruggle kayo sa mga gusto nyong matupad for your family, yung mga pangarap nyo for your family, this will happen, no? Pwedeng meron lang konting delay. Oo. Keep the faith. And then, let's see the blessing. Ano yung blessing? Queen of Swords. This is strength, ambition, and truth. Queen of Swords energy is someone na very analytical. Alam niyo kung ano yung ginagawa niya. So, for some of you, magkakaroon kayo ng good judgment, no? Sa mga bagay na kailangan yung pagdesisyonan. And ano man yung magiging decision nyo, yun yung magiging best option ninyo. Okay? So, we will clarify that. Ano tong Two of Cups? What is the Two of Cups? What is the Two of Cups? Ace of Pentacles. Oh, new beginnings can be sa career, sa trabaho. Pero pwedeng merong nag-offer sa'yo ng trabaho or opportunity sa work mo. I also see you starting a business with your romantic partner or someone na malapit sa'yo. This can be a loved one, no? Oo. Merong prosperity. Magandang simula ito for you. If you want to start a project, a business with someone na pinagkakatiwalaan mo talaga. And I also see someone offering you, parang may peace offering. Itong peace offering na to, ang paraan niya para magbigay ng peace offering sa'yo is through material things. Ito yung tipong may kipag-ayos, may kipagbate, tapos meron siyang regalo na ibibigay sa'yo. Pwedeng bibilihan ka ng sasakyan, o kaya bibilihan ka ng bahay, or anything na material, no? Tangible. What is the 10 of Cups? The Strength card. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng related sa health, no? Sa kalusugan to. Meron kayong kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin sa family related sa kanilang kalusugan. So, if you feel like meron kailangang ayusin, may concern sa health, wag nyo na tong ipagwalang bahala, no? Oo. Bigyan nyo na to ng attention para hindi na maging problema in the future. What is the star? You have the 9 of Wands. There's support. Merong support for you, whatever this is na pagdadaanan mo related sa family mo or concern ng iyong family. And this is also setting boundaries. I think, yung iba talagang parang pinagbubuhos or binubuhos nyo yung inyong effort sa mga pangarap nyo, sa mga plano nyo sa buhay, but there are times na parang hindi siya nag-work out according sa plano mo, according sa gusto mong resulta. Pero kailangan mo lang kasi rito maging patient, no? You need to be patient sa iyong mga goals mo, sa dreams mo. Dahil eventually, you will be led, ililid ka doon sa gusto mo talagang destination. You also have the Emperor. So, this is law and order. This is being in control of your life. So, as a blessing, no? With the Queen of Swords and the Emperor, talagang mas stricto ka ngayon, no? Stricto ka sa sarili mo, stricto ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo, na, alam mo yun, you are setting boundaries. Hindi mo hahayaan na i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao. Alam mo na yung limitations mo, kung hanggang saan ka lang magbibigay para sa kanila. Because some people, pag nakita nila na you are masyado kang all out sa kanila, some of them, sinasamantala yun. Oo. And now, you are focusing on your future, you are focusing on giving structure sa buhay mo. Some of you naman, meron ditong blessing na promotion sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Merong leadership role na mag-unfold for you. I also see some of you are being blessed pagdating sa justice, sa katarungan. Kung ano yung dinideserve mo na justice. Some of you naman, maaring nag-aaral ng law, related sa law, sa batas. Okay? Or, pwede tong formal na nag-aaral ka ng law. Pwede rin namang nagbabasa ka ng libro related sa batas para mas marami kang alam, no? Tungkol sa batas. And then, free spirit. Give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. You will also have time to discover yourself, no? Para mas ma-discover mo yung talents mo, yung iba mo pang skills, yung mga pwede mo pang i-develop sa sarili mo na mas magbibigay sa'yo ng growth. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.